Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to fix Chrome when your internet keeps disconnecting and reconnecting. So if Chrome constantly loses its connection while you're browsing, then just follow along. First, check whether the problem affects only Chrome or your entire device. And if your whole device disconnects, try restarting your Wi-Fi router and then reconnect to your network. And if the issue only happens in Chrome, then close the browser completely and then try reopening it again. Next, update Chrome to the latest version, and you should also try to clear Chrome's cache and cookies, since corrupted browser data can sometimes cause connection issues. And if you're using a VPN, proxy, firewall, or browser extension, then temporarily disable it to see whether it's causing the problem. You can also try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, or connect to another network to test whether your current internet connection is unstable. So that was how to fix Chrome when your internet keeps disconnecting and reconnecting. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.